In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Foundation Prep won and decided to send Meadowbrook Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Meadowbrook Prep and Bible knowledge. How old was Ishmael when his brother Isaac was born?
14.
Incorrect, 13 years old. Foundation. How old was the daughter of Jairus who Jesus raised from the dead?
12 years old. 12 years old.
That is correct. This is local affairs, visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Mark Finson. Mark Finson.
Incorrect. It's Metriciago, the PSOJ president. Local affairs again, a visual for Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Noel Williams.
Incorrect. It's Sidney Thwaites, the JMEA president. Science, Meadowbrook. Name 2 organs in the body's excretory system.
Skin and lungs. Skin and lungs.
That is correct. Foundation. Name 2 organs in the body's sensory system.
Eyes and ears.
That is correct. Television is a visual. This is for Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Oscar. Oscar.
Incorrect. It's Bobby Proud from the Proud family. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Nigel.
Incorrect. It's Peebo from the Proud family. English language, Meadowbrook. Does the word vulpine refer to a fox, sheep, or wolf?
Fox. No. Wolf. Wolf.
Incorrect. It's fox. Foundation. Does the word lunar refer to the sun, stars, or moon?
Moon. Moon.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person, Meadowbrook.
Deion Jackson Miller. Deion Jackson Miller.
Incorrect. It's Marva Bernard, the Jamaican netball administrator. Foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dennis Chong.
Correct. The JFF General Secretary. General knowledge, Meadowbrook. Who was the vice president for U.S. President Donald Trump during his years in office?
James D. Vance. James D. Vance.
Incorrect. It's Mike Pence. Foundation. Who was the vice president for U.S. President Barack Obama during his years in office?
Joe Biden. Joe Biden.
That is right. Meadowbrook. Social studies. How many degrees south of the equator is the Antarctic Circle?
66 and a half. 66 and a half.
That is correct. Foundation. How many degrees south of the equator is the Tropic of Capricorn?
23 and a half. 23 and a half.
That is correct. Music. What is the birth name of the popular Jamaican reggae artist, Alkaline?
Mike Stevens.
Incorrect. It's Erlan Bartley. Foundation. What is the birth name of the popular Jamaican reggae artist, Idonio?
Philip Martinez.
Incorrect. It's Sheldon Lawrence. Mathematics, Meadowbrook. What is 867,112 rounded to the nearest 100,000?
870,000. 870,000.
Incorrect. It's 900,000. Foundation. What is 111,345 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
110,000. 110,000.
That is right. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Foundation Prep on 7 and Meadowbrook Prep on 2. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Set a consistent bedtime and stick with it every night. Having a regular bedtime routine will help you to settle down and fall asleep and give you more energy for school the next day. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.